Aput manono komishonas ang'wen mag IEBC odayo dho joneno ariyo mokelo kanyakla meneja mag magawa ariyo madongo e buore Nairobi. Ne gilero ne apudno ni jodito mag Azimio ne olimo komishona Irene Masit kod Lange e magawa kendo timo romo ma apanda. Komishona Irene Masit to okwedo ripodno ma kamano kowacho ni e kinde ma bende jatatije ma IEBC Majan Hussein Majan bende opedho neno mare. Reporter marwa Walter Nyambaga miyowa mathoth.
I swear by the Almighty God that the evidence I will give.
Kinde winjo bura mahingo nyenya diere kin komishonas ang'wen mag IEBC to kod dwoko mane olande kod jakom IEBC Wafula Chebukati yiero mokalo. Dwoko mane oyango William Ruto kaka jaloch yiero maduong'. Agri Muchelule kod Lange ne yudo thuolo mar winjo neno mane ogol kod Anthony Kimani ma en meneja mar magawa ma Serena mane okone apudno ni Cherera kod Lange ne otiyo kod magawa no e golo twak ne ute mag fwambo ka gikwedo dwoko mane oland kod Chebukati.
And you confirmed they did not spend in your facility, it was just a presser.
It was just a presser.
Just a presser. And that where is Irene Masit? Can you confirm that in that clip?
It's the second, she's the second lady on my right.
She's the second on the right in that clip.
Yeah.
And you confirm this was taken within your facility? The clip on the right, the split, the right one?
Yes, the podium is ours, the garden is ours, you can recognize the plants.
So that was within,
yes.
Within where?
That is within our hotel at our gardens.
Which is our hotel?
Nairobi Serena Hotel.
Nairobi Serena Hotel.
You met the person who booked the grounds?
No.
Do you know him?
No, I don't know him.
That's all. Thanks.
Janeno Simon Miller mabende en meneja magawa mar Yaya bende ne okone jong'ad buche ni Irene Masit to kod jorit mage nojote magawa ma Yaya e kama ne olimge kod jatatije mar Azimio Raphael Tuju kin jodito mamoko.
On the 16th of August, who visited room and which room?
It's written Honorable Tuju.
Honorable Tuju. Do you know who Raphael Tuju is?
As a politician, yes.
You know him as a politician?
I know him as a politician.
He also visited the 4 commissioners?
As per the records, yes.
As per the record, he visited the 4 commissioners.
Yes.
You confirm that these clips, you produce them as CCTV from Yaya Hotel and apartments?
Yes, I confirm.
They were taken within the apartments?
Yes.
And you were the one who have provided them to the tribunal?
Yes, we are.
Okil mar Irene Masit Donald Korir ne okwedo nenogo ka okoni jonenogo onge kod lony kata teknolojia mar yango adieri makende ni tipo mag wang' dede mane onyis dono en adieri ni mano en Irene Masit adieri.
No, do you know who was staying, yourself personally, do you know of your own knowledge, who was staying in apartment 21?
Out of the 4 commissioners, some were staying in apartment 21.
Simon, I'm just asking you, from your own knowledge,
Yes.
do you know who was staying in apartment 21?
Yes.
Who was staying in apartment 21?
2 of the commissioners.
Which commissioners were staying in apartment 21? Of your own knowledge,
Yes.
not being told.
Yes.
Who was staying in apartment 21?
I'm not very... I cannot give you a clear answer, but it's 2 of the commissioners.
Simon.
Esechego jatatije mar IEBC Marjan Hussein Marjan okone jong'ad buche ni komishonas ang'wen moting'o Justus Nyang'aya, Irene Masit, Francis Wanderi kod Juliana Cherera nobalo kendo chuothur kod jakom mar IEBC Wafula Chebukati ni mondo chan dokie depe nikech pogruok mar ombulu e kind William Ruto kod Raila Odinga ne puot.
I generated the results that the chairman should basically use to declare the results, and then I brought the same to the boardroom where I found all the commissioners basically seated there. And I explained to the chairman what the results were all about. And all the commissioners were seated there. At that point is where now issues basically erupted. And the issue basically was around, no, there is this, the difference is too small. We can't allow to declare the results as it is. Yes. Thank you. The difference was around 233,000.
Marjan olero ne kata yudo oko geche mag komishonas go ne en kaluwore ne podo kirgi oko marapisi.
Yes, when the commissioners were basically suspended, yes,
yeah.
Because according to HR policy, once you're suspended, you hand over all the facilitative things that you are given by the commission, and vehicle is one of them.
Ikine mabura medo nyenyore nyim jang'ad buche Aggrey Muchelule, malingling medo thinyore ka joneno wacho dhogi tieko, gino moganda jo Kenya neno kaka yiero mane obedo kod nengo mathoth. Walter Nyabaga, Ramogi TV, KCD, Nairobi.